Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable sensitive content on Telegram, so you can finally fix that frustrating cannot be displayed error. If you've ever clicked on a message or media and gotten that error, don't worry, you're definitely not alone, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to access all your Telegram channels and groups with zero hiccups. Let's dive straight in. First, it's important to know that sensitive content filtering options aren't available right inside the regular Telegram mobile app, whether you're on Android or iOS. Why is that? Well, it's because both Google Play and Apple's App Store have pretty tight restrictions around adult-oriented content, so Telegram simply hides that setting to comply with their policies. But here, the trick. You just need to access Telegram through the web version, or sometimes through the desktop app if you're on Windows or Mac. So let's start from the top. Grab your computer or mobile device, open up your favorite web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you like, and head over to WebTelegram.org. If you haven't used Telegram in your browser before, it's super straightforward. You'll be asked to log in using your phone number, so type it in and look out for a confirmation code sent to your Telegram app on your phone. Enter that code and you're in. Now, once you see your chats, we need to get into the settings menu. In the top left corner, there's a little icon. It's three horizontal lines, kind of like a burger menu. Click that and then select Settings from the side menu. This is where all the main options for Telegram live, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're new to the web version. Things look slightly different from the mobile app. Next, you'll want to scroll down until you see the Privacy and Security section. This is the area where Telegram lets you control who can see your info, and crucially for this video, how content filtering works. Sometimes the settings aren't instantly obvious, but trust me, take it slow, scroll gently, and you'll find it. Inside Privacy and Security, look for something that says Sensitive Content. This is the magic button that controls whether or not Telegram blocks certain media that it considers suitable for adults only. If you see a box labeled Disable Filtering, go ahead and check it. Or if instead you see an option like Hide Sensitive Content, make sure that's UN checked. What you're telling Telegram here is, I'm comfortable with viewing everything, so please don't filter any messages or media. This is super helpful if you're part of global groups, meme channels, or anything where content is sometimes flagged as sensitive, even if it's totally harmless. Once you've done that, it's not quite finished yet. You need to refresh things so your changes kick in everywhere. If you use the mobile app often, go ahead and completely close it, really swipe it away from your recent apps and open it up again. Alternatively, if you're using Telegram desktop, sometimes just restarting the app is enough. And that's it. Now, the next time you open a chat with media that's been previously blocked, you should see it displayed with no error. It's a simple fix, but the key is that it only works from the web browser or desktop app due to those App Store restrictions that we talked about. Alright, if you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any snags or have questions. I try to reply to as many as I can. And of course, hit subscribe for more easy tutorials like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.